For lashes, I will be applying my Tracy because that tastes so bad. Hello, people that are here watching my video right now. Hope your day is going good. It's about to get a whole lot better because you're about to watch my video. Okay, just kidding. So for today's video, I was inspired by this bathing suit top that I have on right here. I wanted to create a cut crease that I wanted to create a cut crease that incorporated some pinks, some greens, and all that kind of stuff. So this is the look that I created for you guys today. Today is a quick beat video, so I already have my face done. If you want to see other quick beat videos, which is basically just where I show you the eye tutorial, I will have a link to that playlist down below. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you join the squad we've got going here on YouTube. But without further ado, let's jump into today's video. I know I want to pull out the tones in this bathing suit that I'm actually wearing. This top was like too cute to not wear in a video, so I really want to focus on pulling out these rosy tones and using some green in today's look. So I picked up my Born to Run palette today because it has these beautiful shades right here, but also these two green shades here just give me so much life. Oh my god. So I am going to dip into a transition shade. What shade am I going to use? We don't know. I'm going to pick up some of that shade Still Shot right there, and I am going to put that into my crease as my transition shade. Alright, so now I'm going to pick up the shade Hell Ride, and I am going to start to pack that into my crease area, and then I'm going to blend that out so that it blends nicely up into that transition shade. But I'm going to really focus on packing this color in so that everything blends out really nicely. So I'm going in with this shade, and I am not going in and blending it around too much. I'm really just going in and patting that product where I want it. This gives me more control of the color and allows me to build up the pigmentation more. Rather, if I were blending it around, it would kind of blow everything out and just blend it in that general area. Not really packing on too much color, just acting more as a wash. So that is why I'm going in and tapping it with a shadow brush, because this is perfect for this crease area here, but it's going to allow me to build up that pigmentation as dark as I want it to be. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the shade Baja, and I'm just going to use that to blend out that crease area. I'm going to use a very light hand with this. I'm just going to use a blending brush that is a little bit smaller so that I have more control over where this color is going, but I still want it to be a fluffier brush so I can blend it out. So I'm really just going to focus on putting this shade right in between my crease and my transition area, where we've built that line with that crease shade. I just want to make sure that that gets blended out and everything just looks nice and seamless. Okay, so now I'm going to pick up my Makeup Geek shadow in the shade Cherry Cola, which is this shade right here, and I am going to work that deepest into my crease to have that be the darkest color in today's cut crease. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with some concealer, and I'm just going to be using my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Concealer, and I am going to use this to cut my crease. Now I'm going to pick up the shade Wild Heart right here, and I'm going to work on blending that slowly into my lid. So I'm going to keep it mostly on that outer corner to the middle part of my lid, leaving that first part where we concealed open. Now I'm just going to go back in with that Hell Ride shade and just use this on the very outer corner to deepen it up a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to pick up one of my all-time favorite foiled shadows by Makeup Geek. This is in the shade In the Spotlight. It is this shade right here. I'm going to put this shade on the very inner part of my lid. I'm going to use my finger to apply this because I feel like it gives the most amount of pigmentation. Now I'm just going to go back in with a little bit of this Wild Heart shade and tap it in between the middle of the lid just so that we have this inner corner shade blending nicely back out to that outer corner. Okay, so now I'm going to step away from the shadow for a minute and I'm going to go in with some liner. Today I will be using my Morphe gel liner in the shade Slate. This is just their black gel liner and I am just going to put a nice line of this along my lash line. I don't think I'm going to wing it out today because I'm not in the mood to mess it up and then have to redo it, especially since my face is already done. I'm just going to put a line of this on my lash line to help conceal the false lashes when we put those on later and also just to add a little bit of definition. Alright, so now I'm just going to put on a quick lash. Not quite. I'm going to put on a quick coat of my IT Cosmetics Hello Lashes Mascara. This is just going to help prep my lashes for falsies. For lashes, I will be applying my Trace Chic lashes in the style Fierce. These lashes are one of my favorite pairs that I have from Trace Chic lashes because they have such a gorgeous wing effect to them. They are tapered from the outer corner to the inner corner, so as you go to that outer corner you can see the lashes get more full, and so it just really adds a nice cat eye effect to the eye. So I'm just going to pop these bad boys on and then we will finish off the rest of the eye. I put my lashes on at 2 different angles, so they look totally different, but we're just gonna move on. They're the same lash. I'm going to line my lower waterline with my Lash Queen Megastar Longwear Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Depth of Field. It is just a beautiful green liner. Okay, so now I'm gonna pick up the shade Big Sky, which is this shade right here. It's kind of like a green with almost like blue reflex in it, and I'm going to use this to blend out my lower lash line. I just want to incorporate some green shades into this because, like I said, I'm inspired by this bathing suit right here, so I'm just going to blend this out onto my lower lash line so that it looks nice and smoky. Okay, so now I'm going to put a quick coat of mascara onto my lower lashes. I will be using my Falsies Big Eye Mascara by Maybelline, and I'm going to use the lower lash side. I'm just going to line my lips with my Jordana lip liner in the shade Tawny. For lips today, I'm going to be using my Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lip in the shade I'm Shook. Alright, so this completes today's makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am actually really down for this look. I'm here for it. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you aren't sick of me already and you want to see more of my videos. And feel free to leave comments down below letting me know what you thought of this look, how your day is going, what you want to see from me next, or anything, honestly. Drop a comment down below. Let's talk. Let's get to know each other. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.